cold email masterclass kind of response. I mean, it starts, a lot of people think that cold email is about really good email copy, and they'll go in depth researching email templates, and they're trying to figure out, well, what's the template you're using and what's the sequence like, and did you reach out every 3 or 4 days, and what was the gap? Did you CC them? Did you send content? Did you attach content within your message? I would say that that's important, but it starts, and it has to start a step earlier, which is in the research and prospecting or list building phase. I would say that, and I would argue that having the right prospects and having identified the right niche, the right market, with the right problem, and being able to target them specifically enough, having good enough data about the people you're reaching out to, with some basic to good copy, can get you really good results. The first step is always good data, good prospects, maybe even manually researching out who they are. And then when you reach out and you just, send them even like a basic message, you can get responses.